Hi everyone. I think I said I would let you know when I'm about to do my unboxing, but this is what flying by the seat of your pants looks like. You're all in here because you're my friends, and I appreciate you very much. And I think we're rolling. Hope so. But anyway, you all know me unless you just woke up from a nap. So I am Landy, and I'm going to show you what came in my Tate and Zoey kit. Okay, it says I'm live, so I must be. Okay, so this is why I'm not doing a true unboxing. Can you see? It's huge, and lots of boxes, and I just knocked off my cap. We have several shirts, and I'm just going to do a quick, okay, let me get it. Just going to do a quick little thing. This is my favorite one. I don't think you can see what it says. It's really cute cursive writing, and this one says stay golden. It's my favorite one, and I will do a live on each type of product. And of course you can always go to my website. Hang on, I knocked off my cap. Okay, so I thought the way I do this is for now to just show you my favorite one of each thing. And sorry for the mess. I am redoing my showroom. Okay, first of all, isn't this cool? This is a memory stick, and to start my business with Tate and Zoey, and I know you can't read it because I didn't turn it around, but it says Tate and Zoey, and they send us these cards that are front and back, so I can show you the front of it, and then I can read about the product. So that's fun. And while we're talking about memory sticks, I think my favorite memory stick is this one. Let's see, how do you... Oh, I should have done that. I'm not going to take time to do it right now. I should have done it before I started. This one says This Is Us, and it has 2 rows of grooves, and you stand up pictures, and it makes it so easy to change out your pictures. You don't have to change frames and everything. And let's see, just real quick. Okay, yes, so memory sticks to share your memories. And then we have these gigantic, they call them cappuccino mugs, but you can put anything in them. Soup, ice cream, whatever. Oversized ceramic mugs, holds 24 ounces, dishwasher and microwave safe. And look how, I'm dropping everything. Look how huge it is, okay? This one says, a fun thing to do in the morning is to not talk to me. I said that wrong. A fun thing to do in the morning is not to talk to me. I agree with this very much. Just, you know, let me have a couple of cups of coffee first. Okay, and then we have these candles. They're nice and sturdy, nice and heavy. 100% soy wax, 40-hour burn time. See, cheat sheet. Isn't that fun? They all have these fun little sayings on it. This one is me today. It says, over it. Smells like you just got home and it's time to take off your bra. And it smells so good. It's very subtle. And so you can see about how big they are, and it's neutral color, so it will fit in any decor. And then we have stemless wine glasses. They hold 18 ounces. These are hand wash only. They might break in the dishwasher, and they have cute little sayings on them. My favorite one is Training for a Marathon on Netflix. I don't think you can see. I'll show you this, but it's backwards. Training for a Marathon on Netflix. That's the kind of marathon I like to train for. But you can see how big they are, and they are glass. So, and also you can feel this. Now, we get we just started, but they tell us that we'll get a new product line every 3 to 4 months. So this is always going to stay fresh. It's always going to stay trendy, and very inexpensive. Let's see, I think it's $12 to $36, every single thing in the line. We got this. We have 3 ring trays to set by the sink and put your rings. And we also, these are by their featured artist, and I won't go into that right now. But we also have several trinket trays, and this is the one that came in the kit. So this is going to go perfect in our, we call it our cave. We have our Southwestern decor in there. Yellows, pinks, blues, whites, perfect. It's an ombre color. It's yellow up here and transitions to pink. Very beautiful. And just right to put on the end table or by the sink, and, you know, lay your control or whatever you want. Oh, and these bags. These are cosmetic bags, and they all have a cute saying on them, and they're huge. This one says, "Just tell me where to be and I'll be 20 minutes late." I try not to, but this might happen. But I don't know if you can tell, but very, very roomy. And cute little tassel fringe is awesome. Okay, and then let's see what else we have. What else real quick? Okay, we have several different caps. This one says gym, then tacos. I might do tacos and not do gym. Maybe this will inspire me to do gym if we ever get to go do such a thing again. And in addition to being trendy and inexpensive, this line also is built on sayings. Almost everything has a cute little saying. So, and here's how the cap looks. Perfect. Even with my glasses on, I like it. Okay, so that's just a quick summation of what we have this quarter, and in a few months, most of these will be leaving the line completely, and we're going to get a whole new bunch of things. So if you fell in love with any of these, let me know. I will do other lives for the separate products, like one for the candles and one for the mugs and so forth. And they'll always be in this group, so you can always, if you want to see that again, have a look. And of course, we have my website where you can see everything about them. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon. In fact, since I have my lashes on and I did my hair, I may go ahead and do those other lives real quick. Okay, so see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.